Narrated Sid. Allah's Messenger distributed zakat amongst a group of people while I was sitting there, but Allah's Messenger left a man whom I thought the best of the lot. I asked, "O Allah's Messenger, why have you left that person? By Allah, I regard him as a faithful believer." The Prophet commented, "Or merely a Muslim." I remained quiet for a while, but could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him. And then asked Allah's Messenger, "Why have you left so and so?" By Allah, he is a faithful believer. The Prophet again said, "Or merely a Muslim," and I could not help repeating my question because of what I knew about him. Then the Prophet said, "O Sid, I give to a person while another is dearer to me, for fear that he might be thrown on his face in the fire by Allah."